Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how I set up my YouTube stream with this. So I have video capture here, my camera you see here, then I have display capture here. So I have set up the start button on this one, and the camera have so starting soon. Then we close there and we do this and do this. Then start. So then we be right back. Do so and we do so. So I be right back then we are back, and so I think should no I should now take it down here because there is a and start. So you take video capture and display capture here and be right back and start here, and you start and then you take the ending and so start have you first on the top, then be start so we're gaming now, so be right back here, then we are coming back and then ending. So there is how I set it up. So you can screenshot this so you can see how I do it. So pause, you screenshot it, so you can pause it, and that's my video. So if you want to have this stream I have, you can check the link in the bio so you can buy it.